In this video, I will show you how to increase max volume on iPhone speaker running iOS 26. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Now scroll down again and under Built-in Speaker, tap on Volume Limit. Here just enable Limit Maximum Volume. And you will find a slider to increase the volume maximum limit. By default, it is set to 60%. Just increase this limit using the slider provided. And this will set a new limit for your iPhone speakers. So that is how you can increase max volume on iPhone speaker running iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.